Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your connection and try again on Telegram. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you want to open the Telegram and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. First of all guys, you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds. Now turn this off, and after that guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa, and then check if it's working or not. If it's not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to locate for the Telegram app. Here it is guys, just simply have to tap and hold this one, and then just simply have to go to app info. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to storage and cache, and then clear the cache or storage of the app, and after that guys, try to log in it again. If it's not working for you guys, then just simply have to open Play Store and just simply have to search for the Telegram. So let me search for the Telegram guys. Here it is guys. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you have updated your Telegram app, and after updating it guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to open App Store, Play Store again, and just simply have to search for Hotspot Shield. It is guys. From here guys, just simply have to install the VPN. So you can see here guys, the VPN, just simply have to install it and just simply connect with this VPN. Okay guys, and after connecting with it guys, your problem will be fixed too, because your country is not eligible to use Telegram. That's why you're getting the error like this. So just simply have to connect with the VPN, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.